If you want to set a fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy A26, so first of all, open up your settings. Now you gotta scroll down to your security and privacy tab. Now locate your lock screen and enter your password. Yeah, you have to have any kind of lock screen set before you set up your fingerprints, otherwise it just won't work. So set up your PIN, password, or pattern, and let's press on our fingerprint. Press continue. So now what do we have to do? Our fingerprint scanner is located at the side button right here. So you have to rub around and move your finger around the fingerprint scanner and let it register everything. So press register and do those moves. Easy as that. You can add up another finger if you want to, or simply press done. And let's try and test our fingerprint. Easy as that. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.